Action.
Seals the deal every date night with gastro sea salt and black pepper bassa Mediterranean fish bake. Builds a classic Caesar salad from zero to hero.
The way Young's was divided up, we ended up doing one day of the wave, and then the second day was interior set day, and that was the kitchen interiors, and then the third day was the food pack shots, the product shots of the food. The set day was 2 domestic kitchens that were going to have one art direction change with each, so you end up with 4 kitchens basically. So you shoot on kitchen A, and then when you shoot on kitchen B, you redress kitchen A to kitchen C. So let's look at the wide shot. So once we get the set built, we'll go through with a finder and we'll find the best frame for the set.
Exactly, yeah.
So we're looking at the colour of the sky because we're going to be lighting with sunlight shafts coming through the window, so we want a blue sky. Yeah. So let's have a look at backdrops. Should we go with that one? I think that's the one. Let's go for that. Yeah. So for the night time, okay, we just reduce the light outside and then change the colours of things and whatnot. Yeah, build it from there. So we'll have our 5K tungsten coming through here, and then we have the polyboard here with 2 blondes in to produce soft light coming down. And then what I think we need is blondes and our little mirrors outside, so we can add some little kicks of light in here as well. Could we have it so we can look at both options? I like the idea of the mole beam going into a couple of mirrors and just seeing what that looks like. So Charlie, I mean, it's going to be something like this. Do you have a...
Right there, Sean?
Yeah.
Is it all glary? It's all right.
It's all blurry.
We basically, that drama that ridiculous drama of kind of swooping up into them, we're going to continue that kind of theme here a little bit, and sort of swoop, like warmer light coming through, maybe, kind of autumnal late sun, yeah?
Okay.
Autumnal late sun.
Yeah.
And then this set here, I was going to light it like it's more midday. Locations are great because the director goes to a location and go, this is exactly how they do it for real, because they can already see it working. The problem is, reality and film reality are 2 different things, right? So what works in reality is very different to what works on a film. If you're going to do a scene on an aeroplane, you don't fly an aeroplane in the sky to do that scene, because it won't look that real. It will be real, but you end up with a really tight shot of the side of a pilot's face or something. You won't have the space you need to make it feel like film real, So if you want to try and share that experience, if you want that experience of actually flying to be an immersive experience for the viewer, then you want to do it on a set, because then you can get the camera where you need it. You can dial in the elements that will make that feel real, but in a controlled way, so you can have it a dramatised reality rather than just reality. Let's have a look. Let's get another couple of mirrors, little ones, just ready to go in here. Because this, our angle's like here, Charlie, so the cast is going to be around here probably, and we're going to be filming from back there. Yeah, we need some mirrors that we don't see out the window, and we want to see the effects of them around here. With a set, you always think about where the windows are first. When the art director comes with some plans for a set, one of the first questions you'll be asked, or the first thing you certainly should be thinking about, is where does that set sit in the stage? So if you're building more than one set, what you want to do is you want to make sure you have enough space outside the windows to put your backings, your scenic paintings or your trans lights or whatever you're using as a backing. And then you want to have enough space for your lights to go through. If you're putting shafts of light through the window, sunlight through the window or whatever, you want to always make sure you have enough space for that. And you want to make sure you have enough space for the camera to go as well, of course. So what's your widest shot? How far back are you going to track? That sort of thing. Do you want to orientate those sets so they're basically not overlapping too much, so you can work both sets individually. And sometimes it's wise to drop down blacks in between the sets so you can be pre-lighting one set whilst shooting another set simultaneously. So you're always thinking, as a cinematographer, you're always thinking about how the production is going to function practically and how you can save time and money. Yeah, we're not careful. Yeah, so I think you should put it on a boom arm and have it like we had it before, so it's over here, but it's not getting, Yeah. Okay, off again, and on. Okay, that's quite good. And that keynote's on 100%, is it? Is that? Okay, just, wind it up a little bit higher and then we're good to go on that. Should we start lowering this? Let's go. I can still see light at the sky. The sky point of the flat is too bright. Charlie, so the tube on her, let's put that to tungsten. Yeah, if you wouldn't just mind off your shoulders, Jez. Yeah. And on. Yeah, let's go for that. Just hold it there. And off. And on. Yeah, and then come a bit more around to the front. And off. And on. Yeah, we'll go with that. Yeah, but that's the hard light. It's more like getting in the shadow area. So close to being good.
Personally, for me, I'm trying to sell to the audience or people that aren't in advertising, that people that, you know, that don't really want to be looking at commercials. So you've got to make it entertaining for them. They're not in our world, so it's great when you get somebody like Murray who genuinely does care about the work and genuinely does want to do something that people will talk about and remember.
Should we see the move then? I think that's it.
Standing by, rehearsing, and 3, 2, 1, action.
If you want to know more about lighting, go to my Instagram. We do a series called Set Notes where we break down all the lighting on the film set.